Hey guys, what's going on? It's Nico Moreno here, and in today's video, what we're going to be talking about is the free keyboard input feature. This is also known as the user input feature in ManyChat. So if you're a ManyChat user, if you're someone who's excited about using messenger bots in your business, then you definitely want to stick around. Also, if you're a coach, a consultant, or even if you're a marketing agency, or really any sort of business where you're going to be accepting applications, or you're going to be running surveys or questionnaires to your audience or to your prospective clients, this is perfect for you. So you definitely got to stick around and watch the video to the end. Now, before we get into this, you guys, if you're brand new to the channel, I would absolutely love it if you click the subscribe button down below. So make sure that you click that red subscribe button and also click on the bell to make sure that you get notifications every time I post a free, new, awesome video for you guys. And finally, if you guys are interested in getting more from me, I'm gonna leave links down below to my course, to my coaching, and to a couple other offers, and even some free resources that I think you guys are really gonna love. So be sure to check down in the description box below if you guys are interested in seeing that. All right guys, let's get into today's video. So like I said before, what I wanna talk about is this free keyboard input feature. Now, this is a feature that's only available on Pro ManyChat accounts, okay? So you can see right here, my account is listed as Pro. So basically what that means is that you're gonna be paying for your ManyChat account. Now, a lot of you guys are probably using the free account, and you can get away with almost everything in your ManyChat account that you want to accomplish using the free account. But if you do want to get a little bit more, there are a couple extra features that you will get added onto your account if you do upgrade to the Pro plan. Now, it's $10 a month. Unless you hit a certain number of subscribers, then it adds up a little bit more. But for most of you guys, it's going to be just $10 a month. The feature that you're going to see right here, this is only available in the Pro ManyChat plan. All right, so this is a really, really cool feature and a really powerful feature to really interact one-on-one with and give that, truly one-on-one experience to your audience as you're interacting with them and as you're putting them through your messenger bot flow. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit about what this feature is all about. So basically what this does is this allows you to literally take in free keyboard input from any of your subscribers and any of the people who are going through your messenger bot flow. So essentially what that means is people are literally going to be typing out. I'm going to show you guys an example in just a second what this looks like from a user perspective. Basically, you're going to literally be able to have your audience, have the people who are going through your messenger bot flow, type in their answers, and you can actually read them here inside of ManyChat, which is incredibly powerful if you're doing customer research. So I'm going to show you guys really quickly how to set one of these steps up. You'll see right here, if you're in the ManyChat flow builder, so what I recommend you do is go over to flows and just create a new flow. You can also do this inside of a sequence. You can do it inside of an automation sequence. You can also do this attached to a growth tool as well. But what I like to do is I like to build out, if I have a long flow to build, I'll build it out in the flows section. And so what you can do right here is we're just going to create a new step so I can show you. You'll see right here that this is the text that the messenger bot is going to be sending them. And then we see that there's some free keyboard input right here. And that means that, the prospect, the person who is going through the messenger bot and interacting with it at that time, they're gonna basically have the option to type in, to key in. If they're on a mobile device, they'll be typing in like on their iPhone or whatever, or they'll just be typing in on the computer, which I'm going to show you guys in just a second what that looks like. And they'll be able to submit, any answer they want. It can be just completely free text. And then you'll see right here that ManyChat says waiting for a reply from the user, and then it's automatically going to continue. So the cool thing and the absolutely amazing and powerful thing that really makes this feel real is, ManyChat is automatically going to wait for the user to type something in and to push send. And then once it does that, it's going to automatically continue to the next step. Okay, but it's not going to start moving to the next step until they type in some text and they actually, push send and send it to the messenger bot. So it's absolutely incredibly powerful, super, super cool. So let's see, what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to just create a new step. So let's go ahead and I'm not actually going to hook this up to anything, but what this would look like here, or how you actually set this up inside of ManyChat, is what you're going to do is you're just going to type in your text here, just like any regular message. You're going to say, hey, first name. We're going to keep it super basic. How are you doing today? And then all we need to do right here is, if you have the Pro account, you'll be able to see this option enabled that says user input. You just click that. Oh, actually, yeah, we don't even need this part. Because I forgot this comes with a little question that's going to be served up right here as part of that step. So we can just say, hey, first name, How are you doing today? And then what I recommend that you do is, if this is the very first message in a sequence or in a flow or anything like that, if this is the first time that they're interacting with your messenger bot, what I like to do is I like to say, please type in your response below. Because a lot of you guys, I think, for those of you who follow me, you've seen messenger bots before, so you're familiar with them, but they're still a very new thing to a lot of people. So a lot of your customers and a lot of your prospects may never have interacted with a chatbot before, and they don't really know what to do if there's no buttons, right? So it's really, really helpful to just, say, please type in your response below. That way that they know that it's their turn to type, right? And then all we need to do right here is we're gonna scroll down to the bottom. So we're gonna go beneath all of this. Oops, I can see my screen's cut off a little bit. So I'm gonna show you guys right here. Yeah, there we go. So what you're gonna do is you wanna do continue to another step. Okay, so you just wanna make sure that you check that box there. And then you're gonna see it's gonna automatically continue. So don't forget that last step, otherwise you're gonna be kind of stuck and a little bit confused. And all you do is you hook this up to, let's create another message there. And then that's all you would do. Okay, so super, super simple. It's about as easy to set up as any other ManyChat step. So that's how you set that up. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this one because it's not actually part of this flow. I don't actually want that here. And then now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna preview this flow. Let me go ahead and publish this. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna preview this flow so that you guys can see what this looks like from a Facebook user's perspective. So what your audience is gonna see when they're interacting with this bot. We'll see it's actually it's a pretty good sized flow right here. I've got a lot of questions going on. I'm gonna send this to myself. I'm gonna walk you through just a couple of the first questions so that you guys know what your audience is gonna be seeing. So I'm gonna click that preview button right here. And then we can see, I'm gonna hop over to Facebook and we'll see right here. We've got, okay. So the important thing to notice is that I would have this hooked up to a growth tool already, so there would be an initial message right there that has not been sent, since we're just doing a test right here. But so it says now for step 2, so blah, blah, blah. So I'm gonna click yes. And now we're gonna get to the part where I actually, see, so here we get, it says, great, let's start with the basics. What's your full name? Type your answers directly into the chat box below. See how I did that? So that some people are not necessarily gonna know. So I'm gonna type Nico Moreno. And then notice how it didn't go on to the next question until I typed in my answer and pushed send. Okay, so now here's the really cool thing. So let's hop back over into ManyChat. I'm gonna show you guys how to see this. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys newest. And sometimes this doesn't work when I'm testing it. Yeah, okay. So I don't think, so the only reason you guys, so what normally would happen is anytime you have someone who's replying into your bot here, if you've got ManyChat set up and hooked up to your Facebook page, then it's gonna start a live chat conversation right in here. And sometimes the sorting gets really weird too. Basically what would be happening, if this were not me testing it, the only reason that it's not actually working is because it's my account that was being sent this test conversation, and so it's not actually showing up here in the live chat. But if you had a real person who was going through your bot, then you'll be able to hop on over to the live chat section. You'll be able to see the chat that was going on right at that point, right? And you could actually hop in and you can reply directly to them, or all these really cool things. And you can also go in there and you can see the responses that, you can see responses like one-on-one that people are having to your bot, or you can also go back into the flow. So let's go back. This is the flow right here. And you can see right here, this is something I just published yesterday. So I've only got one person, I think, that went through it. Let's go right here. You can actually see the answers. Click on that. And I'm gonna block this person's name out, but it says, what's holding you back from achieving the business and personal success you desire? And they say, no ads in place and need to refine systems. Okay, so that's incredibly valuable. So let's say you actually go back and you run 100 people through this. You can go through and you can click and collect all that information all in one place. Super easy and incredibly powerful, you guys. So I wanted to show you guys how easy this is and how incredibly valuable and powerful this is, not just for you, but also for your clients if you're gonna be building bots for clients, okay? So definitely use this feature. It's absolutely incredible. It's completely unheard of, really. It's super, super cool. And I hope you guys loved this video. And thanks so much for watching. If you did like this video, go ahead, please give it a thumbs up. I seriously appreciate every single one from you guys. It really does mean a lot to me. And if you're new to the channel and you want to keep up to date on everything that I release, go ahead and click that big red subscribe button down below to make sure that you get subscribed, you get updates on all my free awesome content here that I'm uploading for you guys, and you just stay up to date with all the cool Messenger bot stuff and all the things that I'm releasing. So thanks so much, guys. And again, if you're interested in getting more from me, there's a link to my course, a link to coaching, link to some other free resources as well that are gonna help you guys out down in the description box below. All right, thanks so much, guys. This has been Nico Moreno, and I'll catch you guys next time.